Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to discuss about a mega hiring drive which TCS has announced recently for this year. Every year TCS conduct free NQT drive where they hire fresher engineer graduates across India. Likewise for 2024, they have announced the drive. I am going to explain everything related to this drive. So please don't skip any part of the video. Now I have opened the official TCS careers page where you can see TCS NQT, your passport to million dreams. Yes, million dreams, because almost 8.5 to 10 lakh candidates will be participating in this hiring drive. Next, they have mentioned TCS fresher hiring for engineering candidates from the batch of 2024. So only 2024 batch students are eligible. If you scroll down, they have given registration status is open and the end date for registration is April 10th, 2024. So only few more days is left. So apply today itself. Next test will be conducted from April 26, 2024 onwards. Here they have given register here button, but I strongly recommend you to watch our another video where we have explained complete registration process. The registration process is very lengthy and even if you make one mistake, you won't get the admit card for the exam. That is why after watching and understanding the complete details of this drive, watch the registration process video and then register. Moving on, they have given some more details regarding this drive. Candidates need to appear for a single test and based on the test performance, you will get qualified for the Prime, Digital and Ninja interviews. There are 3 different hiring categories in this drive. Those who get selected in this drive will work in tech roles in TCS. Eligibility criteria for this drive: first one, education. BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSc and MS graduates are eligible for this, and the year of passing, meaning batch, should be 2024. Next, percentage: minimum 60% or 6 CGPA throughout your academics is necessary. Next, criteria or backlog: no pending or active backlogs will be allowed at the time of selection process. If you have any backlogs, you need to clear it before the time of joining TCS. Next, gap or break in education: up to 24 months or 2 years of educational gap will be permitted. Course types: only full-time graduation courses will be considered. Part-time and correspondence courses will not be considered. Work experience: candidates with prior work experience of up to 2 years are also eligible, but this is only applicable to postgraduate. Candidates' age should be between 18 to 28 years. Next, moving on to the hiring categories. As I told earlier, there will be 3 hiring categories based on your performance in the test and interview. You will be placed in any one of the 3 categories. So the candidates who perform well will be placed in the TCS Prime. Here, salary for UG candidates is 9 lakh per annum and for PG candidates 11.5 lakhs per annum. Those who get selected to this category will work in complex project with advanced technologies and algorithms, will explore emerging tech for industry applications, will also work in integrating system designs using tech automation and robust security practices. Now the next hiring category is TCS Digital. For this category, the salary package for UG candidates will be 7 lakh per annum and the salary package for PG candidates will be 7.3 lakhs per annum. Next category is TCS Ninja. In this category, the salary for undergraduates will be 3.36 lakh per annum and the salary for postgraduates will be 3.53 lakh per annum. Next, moving on to the test pattern. So the test is divided into 2 parts. Part A will be foundation section. So if you are aiming to get hired in Ninja category, which offers 3.36 lakh per annum salary, only this part of the test is enough to pass. If you want to get selected in Digital and Prime category, you need to pass or clear Part B, which is advanced section B. So Part A consists of numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability. The total duration for this test will be 75 minutes, and Part B consists of advanced quantitative and reasoning ability and also advanced coding. For this part, the duration will be 1 hour 55 minutes. I will give you the test pattern in detail, which is the last year pattern. So numerical ability and reasoning ability, 20 questions will be given, and for verbal ability 25 questions will be given. Next, for Part B, advanced quantitative and reasoning ability, 20 to 25 questions will be given, and advanced coding 2 to 3 questions will be given. So this is just a sample pattern. The number of questions may vary little bit. Next, Next, if we talk about the syllabus, so there are official syllabus which they have mentioned for part A and part B, but only these few syllabus won't be there. So we are going to give you leaked syllabus which we have prepared analyzing last 7-year question paper from TCS NQT. So almost around 60% of the TCS paper will be having previous year pattern itself. So that is why this topic which we have given is very important. Please prepare for this carefully. I have also given this PDF in the description below. So in the numerical ability we have given which is very important and which topics are less important. So our suggestion is to prepare for important topic first and move on to less important topics later. Likewise, for reasoning ability also we have given topics which are very important and topics which are less important. Next, same we have given for verbal ability and also coding too. Next, moving on to selection procedure. First round is the test. So if you qualify that round, you will be having technical interview, MR interviews and HR interviews. So these interviews may be conducted in a combined way or separated way also. So in technical interview they will be asking questions based on programming language you have chosen and also questions based on your resume, training, internship and projects will be asked. For MR or managerial interview they will ask questions related to projects and situational and trap questions and also puzzles based questions. Now we will move on to the important note section given by TCS. So the test conducted will be offline in center test. So TCS is having many centers across India by the name of TCS Ion. There you will have to give the tests. Next, if you get shortlisted after writing the test, you must have all your original academic documents till date. TCS will not ask any money for any employment offer. So there are some of the important points to keep in mind. Moving on to how to apply for this drive. As I told you earlier, I have posted another video where I have explained the complete registration process. Please watch that to apply for this drive. I will be explaining in brief here about the process. So step 1, you need to log into the TCS Next Step portal. Step 2, if you have already registered user on Next Step portal under IT category, you can directly log in with your reference ID and proceed to complete the application form, and upon submission you need to click on drive. But if you are a new user and do not have an account on TCS Next Step portal, kindly click on register now, then choose IT and proceed to fill in your details. Then after submitting your application, click on apply for drive. Next, step 3, you need to select your preferred test center and click on apply. Step 4, you can confirm your status by clicking on track your application in there. If the status shows applied for the drive, you have successfully applied. So this is a brief version of the application process. Watch our registration process video for better understanding. We have given the video link in the description below. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end.